I'm planning to travel to Spain, with my mom in January during our vacation. Uh, my my people told me that Spain as beautiful place. So where really want to visit. I think it will be an amazing adventure for both of us. We are going to stay for about 2 weeks. We plan to visit Madrid, Barcelona, uh, Seville. I want to see La Sagrada Family and Park Rail because they look very interesting. My mom loves walking and taking pictures, so I am sure we will enjoy it a lot. Before to try, I need to book the flights and find a good hotel. I also have also to check our passport and prepare everything we need. I'm not going to take my things because I want to traveling. Uh, we also want to try Spanish food like paella and tapas. I think I think it will be delicious. We plan to buy some uh, souvenirs and clothes clothes too. I feel very excited about this trip because it's a dream for me. I think it will be a great experience to travel with my mom and discover new place together. I am sure we will have a wonderful time in Spain. Uh, Thank you.